This is the beautiful vintage Coach Madison change purse. So as you can see, it still comes with this little dust bag, and then when we open it up, I'll show you what's inside. So here's the little change purse. As you can see, it's in the color red, and the style number was 4475, and it was made in Italy, and I would estimate it was made in the 90s. So here's a close-up view. It's in this nice pebbled leather. That's what the bottom looks like, and then here's the top with the kiss lock closure. And it doesn't look like it was ever used, so it's in really nice condition. It's got the little Coach cartouche right there, and it says made in Italy. So yeah, that's a little change purse, and I just posted it in our Etsy shop the other day, so as of the time of this video, it's still available. So I will link it below if you wanted to check it out, but otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.